Here we are. This is gonna be the flea market today. What's going on, guys? This is gonna be something new today. So we got all this right here. We got the coconut grove and everything. So something that you can drink and everything. So look at it. They got everything right here at the entry. This is something new right now. So I don't think they're gonna ask me for entry fee. This is gonna be crazy right now. It's my first time right here in Houston, and I'm trying to figure out right now what's going on. And this is gonna be oh, look at this right here. Surprise, surprise. Look at this. Kind of different. You can come and eat something, and looks like a restaurant right here. Oh wow. Wonder what they have right here. Let's look at the menu to see what happened. So they have chenches quesadillas right here. Yeah. Chenches quesadilla. I think they have some I don't know what is this right here, like papas and frijoles and sesos right here. Something different. People are eating and doing all the stuff right now. So what's going on? Oh, look at this. Oh. They sell just about anything. So this is gonna be the solid flea market right now. So something new. I don't know what they're doing right now. People are looking at me while I'm with the camera right now, trying to record everything. So I'm gonna step outside. I'm gonna go to the other side to see what I can eat. Oh, look at this. Just about anything right now. So we got the menu right here. So they got elotes, they got the rustas right here. I don't know about the name of this place right here. So they got different stuff. Somebody's dancing too right here. And then oh, look at this. They got different stuff right now. So they got like a little plaza in the middle. Look at it. Something different, right? Nice. Man, this is big right here. You can just walk literally the whole way, walk all the way, and this is gonna take you like an hour or so. Look at it. Trying to find a jersey right now. Look at it right here. It's a bunch of people trying to sell everything. So they got jerseys and I don't know. You can buy just about anything right here. Oh, look at it right now. Let me try. I guess they say right here anything about Mexico. Oh, look at this right here. They sell birds. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. Woohoo! Look at this right here. I didn't know they sell animals right here. They do. And obviously you can buy it and take it home with you. Ah, look at this right here. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Alright. So people, if you're trying to come to Houston, come to this place right here. You can find the birds, okay? Just find just about anything right now. Wonder how much is this. I'm gonna keep going right now. Don't have that time. We're just gonna keep going. Now they sell women's stuff right here. Look at it. All right. This is gonna be something new for me because I was walking all the way down and I couldn't find anything. So, and then they have all this right here for even for cars. They sell everything right here. And that's what happened. All right, I'm just gonna turn the camera. Look at it. They even sell like a Home Depot. They have like a little hardware store. Look at it right now. Oh wow. Just about anything. So you can come right here and just look at it. Maybe come to the front right now. They say even perfumes right here. It's kind of different though. Woohoo! I don't think they have a live band right here today, but if they do, then let me know, probably. So, oh, look at it. They got, what is this, candies or what? I have no idea what it is. Yeah, they say you would sell candies right here. Nuts, peanuts, just about anything. Whatever you found in the supermarket right now, right? Puro dulce. So they got all the candies and sweeter right here. That's pretty good. So if you come to Houston, you just gotta come this way right now. Look at it. So you got sweetness, and you got the jalapenos right here. All this type of spicy, man. I was looking for one of these right here because I gotta go to Brazil. So one of these right here is gonna help me. So I'm visiting right now, so maybe I need one of these right here. How much is it gonna cost me? Because the one that I have is too big right now. Yeah. Oh, so they make shirts right here too. Look at this shop right here. That's pretty nice. I don't know the name of the shop right now. My buddy is working right now. Look at this. So I guess you can print just about anything on this place. They print everything right now. So oh, look at it. It's busy right now. Doing a lot of stuff. Another birthplace. That's another one right here. Woo-hoo. Look at it. So we got all these birds. Beautiful. Periquitos especial for 10 bucks. Look at this, 10 bucks. You can find just about this anywhere. Where are you gonna find this right here? See all these people buying right now for 10 bucks. 10 bucks, right? That's a deal. Wow, this is beautiful right now. That's a good price right here. I was somewhere else, it was like 40 bucks.
40 bucks.
Yeah. This is 10 bucks right here. Was like, wow. 10 bucks. That's a nice place. You can find just about anything cheap right here. Yeah. I guess. Bunch of people watching right now. Woohoo! Man, this is huge right here. You can walk the whole day. I really thought like another mall right here was bigger. This is so big, man. Come this way. I'm gonna turn this around right now. You can find just about anything like pictures or even candies right here. Look at this right now. Candies. Hola. Salvia. You know, I don't know anything about this right now. So I guess they have spices and they got the sweet. All the sweets and everything. Hi. So people just come right here, just get a bag and just put it in your, and just pay for it. Nice. It's beautiful right now. So I guess we have come to the center part of the plaza right now. I have no idea. Maybe it's the center one. I gotta know how far I gotta go. So they even sell, you know, like a dress. If you go to a party or something like that, they even sell everything right here. Look at it. Everything just about. jeans, and it's more like a cowboy style. You know what I mean? All that stuff. No problem. Oh, look at this place. Shoes, belts, cowboy style. Look at all this right here. So you don't have to go. Look at these guys right here working today. That's good. Thank you, man. There's another restaurant that they have. Look at the restaurant right now. So this is less packed right here because I went to the first bar. I went to the first restaurant and it was empty. Now this one right here is a little bit big, like empty right here. The first one was packed of people. Like it was so full. Right now it's like there's nobody. Maybe because it's raining today. So that's what it is. There's another one. It's very empty right now. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, look at this right now. Look at the bubbles. Nice place. So if you come to Houston, this is instead of going to the mall, you just come right here. You find just about anything right here. You find the wallets, you find everything leather, you find perfumes. So I really like this place. It's different. They even have a hardware store right now. Look at it. It's very nice. You can come right here. You don't have to go to Home Depot. Just come this way. Look at it. Don't even go to Home Depot, Lowe's. You come this way, you find just about anything. So, look at it. So they got music right here too, all the way. Probably my face is too close right now, so I'm gonna go this way. That way you can see it. Look at these boots right here. So you're probably gonna find better price. See right here, $69.99. If you go to the mall, you're probably gonna find this right here for like 120 bucks. This is a good price. Very, like, real good price right here. So here we are. We're just gonna come back right now. So someone told me, oh, look at this place, a nice place right now. Look at this right here. You can find just about anything. Hey, what's up? Look at this right now. That's beautiful, isn't it? Something different. So instead of going to the mall, come this way. You find a better price right here. They got all this, you know. Just about anything right now. So, and look at all these people. Like, it's so filled up. Like you have to go like all this way, and I see more people here than the actual mall. Look at it. Yeah. I might end up the video in just a moment. I don't think I'm gonna be right here the whole day. I just want to give you a brief of how this looks, like kind of different. So I hear some birds too. So they got like a lot of shops right here with birds. Isn't it nice? Look at it. Look at, there's another place right here, the shop. They got the knife. Look at the birds. So they have different ones right now. Look at it. So people come right here. It was like 10 bucks on the other side. Let's see how much it's gonna be right here. Let's go and take a look at it. So they said do not touch right here, don't touch car. But they don't have the price right here on this one. So I don't know how much it's I don't want to ask. So there, look at, you see it? Oh, there you go, 2 for $22. That's nice. That's a good price. A real good price. So I would love to get one day. Look at it. Wow, this is excellent right here. So it's gonna be a lot of different, guys. So that's what I can tell you right now. So this is the market. Houston. It's like you're in South America, you're in Mexico. It's kind of different. They even sell, you know, veggies right here. Look at it. Next to the bird place. Look at it right here. Oh, look at this. They even have hens and... Oh. This is beautiful right here, buddy. Take a look at it, man. Look at the dragon right here, man. 200. How much is that one? $200. That's a deal. Normally you get this right here for like what? $500-700 right here. That's a good price. What's your name? Nice to meet you, man. Look at it. Look at this dragon. Oh, it disappeared on me. Kind of disappear. Kind of all the way down. So this is gonna be something different. We're just gonna keep walking right now to see if we can find something else. Oh, now it's getting quiet right here. So look at this. They sell everything right here. From look at these boots. That's nice. Right there. There's another boot place right now. So you can get to choose just about anything right here. Hardware store and everything. So, and looks like we're getting to the end. I'm not sure 100%. You can come outside too, but since it's raining, I'm not gonna step outside right now. So I'm probably gonna do something else, and then to see what happens. It all depends on the situation. They got music right now, so they're playing music. So look at this. Look up. Listen to this music. I love this right here. Now they're playing. Oh wow. Let's get out this party right here. No, you're good. Gracias. So they even have jewelry right here, perfumes and everything. Okay, so there's another place. I'm looking at the other place right now, and look at what they have. So you can come right here, start eating, all eating, come back.